In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an impressive text slider on your Wix website. We'll start from your Wix site dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you will add and customize the slider directly on your page. Once the editor loads, look to the left side of the screen and click the Add Elements icon, which is the plus sign. This opens the panel where you can insert new features and design elements into your website. Next, choose Text, then scroll down toward the bottom of that section until you find Related Apps. In this area, look for the app called Text Slider Builder. When you find it, click Add to Site. If Wix asks you to confirm, simply click the option to continue. After a moment, the text slider widget will appear on your canvas. Now that the app has been added, double-click the slider widget on the page. This will open the Settings menu, where you can begin editing the content and appearance of your slider. Head over to the Slides tab. This is the section where you can add new slides. Delete any you don't need or rearrange them into the order you want. Taking a moment to organize your slides here will help your final result feel much more polished and intentional. To customize an individual slide, click the three dots next to that slide to open more actions, then select Edit. From here, you can change the title, add or update the subtext, and set the button link. This is where your slider really starts to come to life. So make sure the wording is clear, visually balanced, and matches the purpose of your page. After your slide content is in place, continue in the Settings panel and choose the text animation effects you want to use. You can also select the animation mode that best fits your design style. Then go to the Captions section. Here, you can fine-tune the text styling by adjusting the text itself, the text outline, and the text shadow. You can also work with the background text and border text settings. Go through all of the available options carefully, so you can create a look that stands out while still being easy to read. Once you are happy with everything, click the Publish button to make your changes live and see the final result on your website. That's all to it. Thanks for watching. Here